Driving a 2023 to 2025 Accord EXL? It's got more hidden tricks than you might expect. In this video, I'll walk you through 10 clever features and shortcuts that many owners overlook. By the end, you'll see how to make your Accord smarter, easier, and more enjoyable to live with, whether it's customizing tech, dialing in comfort, or unlocking those everyday conveniences that make a big difference. Want your Accord to feel a little more personal? The EXL makes it easy with driver profiles. Each driver can save their own setup, including instrument cluster layout and info screens, paired phones and Bluetooth, audio presets, 2 seat positions, and climate control preferences. Say my wife sets hers with the seat saved as position 1 and mine as 2, a classic round cluster. Her go-to climate settings, her favorite apps arranged on the home screen, and Android Auto right where she likes it. Under my profile, I can flip it around. Seat position 1 for me and 2 for her. Bar-style cluster with my info screens, Apple CarPlay ready to go, my apps lined up on the main screen the way I prefer, plus all my vehicle settings and cold weather presets. It even remembers the little things, like her heated seats staying on or the exact layouts I left last time. Switching profiles is quick. Just tap the profile icon in the upper right corner or head into Profile Settings. From there, you can select an existing profile or create a new one in seconds. You can rename them by heading to Manage Profiles under the Profiles page. Though I wish instead of just picking a random color, you could actually choose one yourself, or even set a profile avatar. If you go into the owner's profile settings, next to where you rename it, you'll also see a Manage Profiles tab. That's where you can limit or expand what other profiles can do, like installing or deleting apps, receiving calls and messages, or even granting another profile admin rights. And since profiles aren't tied to the key fobs, you can create almost as many as you need. When you get in, the system prompts you to choose a profile, but only before you start the engine. It's a simple way to keep the Accord feeling like yours, even if you're sharing it. And stick around, we'll dive into those customizable cluster layouts in just a bit. Finally, on a side note, memory-linked side mirrors would be perfect to have, but we're not there yet. Every Honda Accord comes with a built-in driver position memory system, perfect if more than one person drives your sedan. For each driver profile, the system stores 2 seat positions, each one tied to the numbered key fobs that come with your Accord. Setup is simple. Start the engine, adjust your seat, press the Set button on the driver's door, and within 5 seconds, press memory button 1 or 2. A beep confirms it's saved. Prefer the touchscreen? Go to Profile Settings, Driver Position Setup, choose Memory 1 or 2, and select whether to save or recall positions for that profile. Once programmed, unlocking the door with your fob automatically brings the seat to your setting. Using the other fob? Just press 1 or 2 on the door panel to load that memory. And here's a thoughtful extra. When you shut off the engine and open the door, the seat glides back for an easier exit. Ever look at your instrument cluster and think it could use a cleaner or sharper look? Good news, you can redesign it. Just use the right side steering wheel roller, head into Gauge Display Settings, and open Gauge Design. From there, choose the style that fits you best. It's your dash, so make it yours. And don't forget the left side roller. That one's handy for flipping through your audio sources on the fly. Before we jump to the next tip, if you've learned something new so far and want more content like this, hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. If you'd rather keep your focus on the road than glance at the center display, the Accord makes it simple. Once your phone is connected, you can bring step-by-step directions straight into the instrument cluster using the right-hand steering wheel controls. Just scroll to the navigation page and you're ready to go. When there's no route running, the screen defaults to a basic compass. But as soon as you start guidance from your phone's nav app, the cluster transforms. Directions appear both actively and passively. Actively means you'll see them on the dedicated nav page, while passively, they can briefly pop up over whatever else you're viewing whenever it's time for a turn. You can set up your Accord's home screen almost like your phone. Tap the All Apps icon, then choose which apps you want to show or hide. To rearrange, press and hold an app, drag it where you want, or move it to the top to remove it from the screen. When you're happy with the layout, tap the back or home button to lock it in. By pressing and holding an app on the left side, you can rearrange those apps in the same way, including adding new ones or replacing the current ones. And here's a bonus tip. Look at the shortcuts on the right side of the screen. You'll find widgets like a compass, a clock, and your fuel range, all easy to check without digging through menus. No one likes stepping into a freezing cabin in winter or a sauna in the middle of summer. And that's where the 2026 Accord makes life easier. Your EXL comes with a remote start right on the key fob. Just press lock once, then hold the circular arrow until the parking lights flash. The engine starts, climate control sets the cabin to 72 degrees, defrosters kick in on cold days, and even the heated seats warm up automatically. By the way, you can choose in the settings if the front passenger seat should stay off by default. For security, the Accord won't allow remote start if a key is still inside, or if any door or the trunk is open. And even when the engine does start, the screens stay off, the shifter is locked, and the car shuts off completely if you try to move the gear selector. The proper way is simple. Step inside with the key, press the brake, and hit the start button like usual. Each cycle runs for 10 minutes, with the option to extend it once if you need more time, and it only works when the car is fully closed up. If you'd rather not rely on the fob, you can also use the Honda Link app during the free 3-month remote and concierge trial. Start your Accord from anywhere, check the cabin temperature, watch the countdown timer, or shut it off early, all from your phone. Definitely worth trying. On a scorching day when your Accord's been baking in the sun, you can vent the cabin without even starting the engine. Just press unlock twice, holding it down the second time, and all 4 windows roll down together. Release when they've opened enough. For safety, the system won't roll them down if the engine is already running. And if you'd rather not risk it on a rainy day, head into Vehicle Settings, Door Setup, Remote Window Control, where you can switch the feature off anytime. From the factory, your Accord locks the doors once you're moving past about 10 miles per hour, 15 kilometers per hour. Prefer they lock as soon as you shift out of park? No problem. Head into Vehicle Settings, Door Setup, Auto Door Lock. Pick the option you like, and you're set. By default, your Accord unlocks all doors when you open the driver's door. Want a different setup? Go to Vehicle Settings, Door Setup, Auto Door Unlock. From there, you can choose to unlock all doors when shifting into park, unlock all doors when turning the ignition off, or turn Auto Unlock off completely, so the doors stay locked until you manually unlock them. No more juggling keys. On the Accord EXL, Smart Entry lets you unlock the car just by touching the driver's door handle while the fob stays in your pocket or bag. Out of the box, it only opens the driver's door. If you'd rather have all 4 doors unlock at once so passengers don't have to stand around, here's how to change it. Open Vehicle Settings on your main screen. Keyless Access Setup. Door Unlock Mode. Then, set it to all doors. From then on, everyone gets in together. Smooth and simple. There's more than one way to lock up your Accord. Pick the method that works best for you. Press the lock button on your key fob. Touch the ridged spot on the door handle when your fob is nearby. No key fob handy? Press the lock button inside the driver's or passenger's door. If the fob isn't nearby, the car will beep 10 times before locking. With the fob on you, it locks instantly with no beeps. Here's a handy one. Walk Away Auto Lock. Every trim has it. Just grab your fob, close all doors, and walk away. Your Accord locks itself with a confirmation beep. It's off by default, but you can enable it in Vehicle Settings, Door Setup, Walk Away Auto Lock. Just remember, It won't activate if the engine is running, a door or trunk is open, or a key fob is inside. Want extra security for your trunk? Open the glove box and find the small latch on the left side. Flip it to off to disable the trunk release. Neither the interior release, trunk button, nor key fob will open it until you switch it back. Did you know about this trick? Got an Accord tip of your own, or something you'd like me to cover next? Drop it in the comments below.